Yeah, hello everyone. Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, it's been nice for me to welcome you all to our second meeting. But before we start our meeting, I have a important question. Have you guys already had breakfast today? Have you had breakfast? Okay, excellent. Have you? Okay, it was nice. Was it not? Do you still remember what we have already discussed in our previous meeting? What we have already discussed? Okay. Soal orang tua, persuasive, what they call ya, persuasive presentation. Tos, adalah soal patos. Yeah, this is our warming up activity. If you see on screen the title, "The Future of Work in an AI-Driven World," and yeah, on Padlet. They may reflect to these three questions, and you may choose only one question to answer. Yeah, you may choose question number 1. Why might this topic be relevant to today's world? Or question number 2 and question number 3. This is. Then you may scan this QR code if you want. You may just scan it, and later you need to give one sentence. Yeah. Just think if you were a speaker, what you said would you want to deliver on a different topic. Because in our today's meeting, you'll be given several video. But before we see the video, we need to guess and just pretend we were the speaker. Okay, ready? Scan? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay everyone, so this is our next activity. So we need to think the answer, we also talk about the answer. So you need to be gathered in a small group. So you may change place of your chairs. If you want, you may turn around as a group. This is first group, this is second group, and this is the third group. Yes. Okay. You want to be present then from this group? Later. Come on, again. Okay, it's been an hour, 10 until 20. 20, okay. 1. Okay, good. Nice. I'm a picky girl, right? Today. Okay, so want to be representative from this group? Any volunteer? Okay, just pick a number then. Just 10 until 20. 7 minutes. 1. Yeah, okay, start. Okay, then you'll be given 10 minutes. Yeah, just continue, do question and then fill it up your down. And when you're ready, you may come on with the presentation. Yeah. Good luck.
But do we always need AI if we can do it by ourselves? And the last question is, one will you agree or disagree with? The answer is we disagree with AI can drive self to for hours. It's so dangerous. There may be many accidents on the road later, even though AI is trusted.
Okay, thank you so much. Other group, please, maybe you wanna give a response? Okay, from second group, please give the response, please. Okay, yeah, Stella, do you want to give a response?
I feel the same because
the same boat because we will be facing two sides of AI, so positive and negative, so we need to be more even wise, whether to use it or not, when to use it, and it's a broad consideration. Thank you so much, Stella. From the group, please.
For us, we say we disagree on opinion about the third one, like autonomous car that can be dangerous. We say because the speaker is giving the data, like the autonomous car is way more safer than self-driving car. Like, it only has one accident occur.
Yeah, very good. Thank you so much. Next, third group to present the result. Yeah, thank you so much everyone for doing so. This is will be your assignment. You may take a screenshot of this assignment. Will be one of your reflection. And this is the template F1. Number 1 to number 7. Okay, you may check later the podcast talking about junk habits. And then on your template, you need to give the title, the main shape, 1 up to 2 sentences, what surprised you, what do you agree or disagree, and how this connect to your life. And one question, yeah, if you are given opportunity to the speaker, and then your final reflection. Is that clear everyone for the assignment? Okay, thank you so much. And this is our reflection. Yeah, so for our reflection. Yeah, this is the conclusion everyone. So if you are able to engage with the media such as TV talk, such as podcast, something that you like the most, it is pretty useful for you to increase your listening comprehension. And remember everyone, by doing so, it is actually we try our best to transform from the passive activity, from the passive listening activity to such a powerful tool to become, self-awareness, critical thinking, and also become more personal growth. And in such a sense, reflective listening is not just about understanding what was said, rather it's about discovering what it means to us. I think that's all everyone for today. Thank you so much for a lovely discussion and also activities that we have today. Any question before we finish our class today? Okay, that's clear. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much and stay motivated. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.